Arya, on your video. Nirvan, Nirvi, Paras, on your video. Varun, everybody's video should be on, okay? And mic will be on mute. Have you all heard? Just give me a thumbs up from there. I can see you all. Okay, fine. Now, which season is on here? We know that it is rainy season. Yes? Okay. We have learned in the first standard 2 boats, second standard 2 boats, third standard 2 boats. So totally 6 boats we have learned from first to third. Yes? Thumbs up. Okay. Now today more 2 boats we are going to learn. One is called the canoe. What it is? Canoe. C-A-N-O-E. So you all will write in your index canoe, and second boat is the steamer. Okay. Now steamer we have learned kandil last year. Remember the kandil folding? All remember the kandil folding? Yes? Give a thumbs up. Okay. And then there is only one more step we have to do ahead to get the steamer. So first we will do the canoe boat. That everybody has to have here. The canoe boat looks like this. Can you all see? This is the 3D canoe boat. Got it? All can see? Yes? Give me a thumbs up. What happened, Josh? You can't see? No? Nobody can see this canoe boat? Huh? It is 3-dimensional. Can you all see this? Okay. Now this, you can, it is down flat and it is like this. So it is 3D boat. Is that clear? So first we will do this canoe boat. And when you stick in your paper, you or in your book, whichever, wherever you're doing it, you have to color the page first. Either you all can do sunset scenery or morning scenery, whichever. Last year we have done both the sceneries. It is 2 different shades what we are doing. During the sunset scenery, we are giving light blue, dark blue for the water, that is Persian blue and light blue. And for the sky, we are giving mango yellow, orange, crimson red and magenta pink in shading form. And we are merging it. Is that clear? And that was for the sunset scenery. And for the morning scenery, again same Persian blue and light blue what we are doing for the water. And morning we are giving only golden yellow or chrome yellow and little bit here and there orange, and one sun we are doing. Is that clear? So any scenery you can use, and after doing the scenery, you have to stick this both the boats on it. Okay, so first we are starting with this canoe boat. All are ready? Everybody is having the paper with you all? Square paper? Good. Fine. Now first fold the paper into half. Center folding. Okay, can you see my camera? This is? Okay, first we are folding the paper into half. All have done? Yes? Now again we will fold the paper into half from both the sides. Once this way, then turn the paper and the other side. All have done? Manthan, are you doing or no? Varun Malviya? All are doing, na? Yes. Neil Parmar, I see. Manthan Chauhan, do along with me. I'm not going to send the video, huh? So you'll have to do it now only, along with me. So first into half and then again in half we have done from both the sides. Now we are opening it. After opening the joint side part, can you see this joint side part? That we have to fold it in triangle till this marking. From both the sides. This is the top one is open. From the joint side, we are folding it on both the sides. Yes? All can do? All have done till here. Manthan, I can't see you doing anything. You're just roaming from here to there. Okay. Now, Kayan finished? Jania finished? Yes, good. Now, what we see is on this open part is there on the top, that this line is also there in the center. Till there, you are folding into half first. Both the sides you have to do, okay? Can you see this? On this line, we are folding it. What happened, Avia? You are missing something? Okay, both the sides you all have to do. Even on the back sides. Turn it and fold it into half. So your board at present it will look like this side and then on the back side like this. Okay. Now again this you just fold it top over it, both the sides on that front line so that this gets sealed. Correct. Now you wanted the flat portion for the board down. So this part, if you keep like this, it will fall. For the flat portion, what we have to do, exactly half of it till this line, we have to fold. Okay? Till this line. Don't go over it. It has to be just below that line. And try folding it both the sides so that you can make it flat properly when you open. Okay? Now this, both the side you are folding so that you can get it in. When you make it flat, it will become easier. And then you open it. Correct, Ruda. Now, the board shape, this has to go inside. So you fold in the triangle form and push it inside. This triangle form, fold like this and just push it inside. both the sides. See, can you see this triangle form? So I'm folding it like this and I'm pushing it inside. Okay. So now actually your boat is ready. Now you have to just open it, and that flat portion, this part you have, for the flat portion to get, you have to push it inside like this. Slowly, slowly till that goes inside. Can you see this? Okay. And now you open it, and with your hand make it flat. Avya, what's happening? Why you're not doing? Is that clear? All have understood? Yes or no? No? Again, I'll show you. The flat portion you all are not getting. Okay? Till here you all have understood? Yes? Him? Okay. Now this portion is there. This you have to fold it on this line. This portion. This exactly on this line you have to fold it. Both the sides you fold it so that when you make it flat, it will be easy for you. And then you open. Keep it open. Okay. Now you put your finger inside and open your boat and press it like this inside.